Hi children, welcome back to Candy Kids. Today we are going to play with burger toys. These are burger toys. Look at this. This is a burger. This is big, juicy burger toy. Now let's see hot dog. It is cylindrical in shape and brown in color. Let's see cheese. This is cheese. We apply cheese on burger. It is yellow in color. It is square in shape. Now let's see these French fries. Yummy French fries. These are crispy and yellow in color. Now let's see the cool drink. It has a white color cap and a straw. We can sip drink from this. Now let's open the cap and see. Oh, it's empty. Let's pour some drink. Let's close it. And the last toy is the tomato ketchup toy. We can pour ketchup on burger and French fries. This is the tray to keep all our toys. Let us see how to make our burger. Look, we have lettuce, green color lettuce. Let us fix it. Next, we have tomato, red color tomato. Then we are going to apply cheese. Next, it is butter. Let us fix the burger patty. Now let's close the burger. Look, our juicy burger is ready. Let us apply some cheese. Oh wow, yummy! This is our burger. Let us keep it on the plate. We'll keep the cheese beside it and let's take the fries. Put some tomato sauce on that and let's keep it on the plate. Oh, hot dog! Then comes our cool drink. Wow! These are our burger toys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.